All right, today we are going to look at angles, just like we did triangles. Now we're going to look at angles. One angle is a supplementary angle. This means that this angle equals 180 degrees. No matter how many angles are in it, it all has to equal 180. So in other words, if this equals 180, this could be 101 degrees. What would that be? So we would go 180 minus 101. And that would be 79 degrees. So this equals 79. So it all has to equal 180 degrees. Same thing with a 90-degree angle. We know it's a 90-degree angle because of that little box. If this is cut right there and this is 75 degrees, and what is x? 90 minus 75 equals 15. So this equals 15 degrees. Okay. We are working our way to equations again, but we're just starting out. What is the angle given another measure? This one that is 180 degrees is a supplementary angle. This one that is 90 degrees is a complementary angle. We have vertical angles. All right. This means that they are congruent. That means they equal the same amount. If this is 80, this is 80. If this is 70, this is 70. Also, too, if this is 115, well, what is this? So even though these are vertical angles, this part right here is still a supplementary angle. This from here all the way to here is a supplementary angle. So all of it equals 180 degrees. So if I still wanted to find that, I would still go 180 minus 115. And get 65. So this would be 65. Okay, so even though there's another angle, or angles down here, this still is a supplementary angle which equals 180 degrees. Okay? And if this is congruent to that, congruent means the same, so this is also 115. If this is 65, so is this one.